Did you just yawn reading this? If so, that's exactly what we're talking about today. Yawning is contagious because of specialized cells called mirror neurons, which fire when you observe someone else performing an action. When you see someone yawn, these neurons automatically mirror the behavior, making your brain feel the same urge. Scientists believe this is a form of motor empathy. You're unconsciously syncing your state with theirs. Studies show you are far more likely to catch a yawn from a close friend than from a stranger. Subscribe for daily medical facts.